G'day guys, welcome back. Welcome to the spin room. I've got my cake turntable under my canvas. I've got some double-sided tape just sort of holding the canvas there so when I spin it doesn't go flying off. And I just used, you just get some masking tape and then you just like break a piece off and fold it over on itself so it's sticky on both sides. I just did that on the 4 middle bits there. No point doing the corners because they're not touching the turntable, are they? All right, so I'm going to do another bloom for you today where I do the puddle and then the colours and then blow it out with my U-Beaut little magic blower here. This used to be a hairbrush on the end there, and you can brush your hair and curl it while you dry it. It's got low and then it's got hot. I just put it on low on cool. So that's it there. It's got it from Kmart really, but there's lots of different brands around. So I don't know whether you guys know much about the bloom technique. This is my pillow paint. It's the British Paints interior wall paint. I'm going to put some of that down first. You do end up using quite a bit of pillow paint, but you have to have a pillow for your paint to go sliding off on, so sort of cover your canvas with that first. I don't want to spin it because I don't want to lose any more off here. I'm just going to kind of spread it to the corners a little bit. You don't have to do this. Make sure that you keep the middle nice and thick though. You don't want to thin that out, because when you blow into the middle with your blower, you don't want to blow right down to your canvas, so keep it nice and thick in the middle there. My bloom recipe, I will show you that at the end of the video, so stay tuned till the end. Yeah, I'll go through all that later. Let's just get the colours going. I'm doing aqua, a turquoise, navy, and a light magenta and a dark magenta. When I do these, I kind of like to do 2 colours, but a light and a dark. So a light and a dark of the pinks, light and a dark and of the blue, and then throw in an aqua. So that's how I kind of like to work out my colours. And then of course my my cell activator, which is just in there. So this one is the Jo Sonjas Red Violet. That's a transparent colour. And this pink one is Brilliant Magenta. It is semi-transparent. This technique tends to lend itself to more transparent or semi-transparent colours for the puddles, and then you want an opaque colour on the top. I've only got white. I should get some more colours, Hash, so I can do different coloured cell activators, but I've only got the white, so I'll use that. Aqua, I'll put the aqua away. Anyway, they're all Jo Sonjas colours. Righto, let's get started. I haven't got much of this one left. I'll put that one down. Put down the aqua first. I like to go light, dark, light, dark. And I'll just take the nozzles off because I'm going to use quite a bit of paint. You do need quite a bit. You need about 1/3 of the size of your canvas to be covered in paint. So that's your canvas. You want 1/3 of it to be puddle. So 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3 of your puddle, at least. Maybe a little bit more, depending on how you go with your blowing. If you don't blow too far, then your colour's not going to go too far, is it? Right, let's do the navy. This is just phthalo blue with some black. And I like to drizzle it so that the other colour from underneath can come through. And then we'll go with this one. This is just the aqua with some phthalo blue in it to make it more of a turquoise blue. As I said, I haven't got much of that one left. And then we'll go with the pale pink next. And then I'll do the dark pink on top. That's that one. And then this gorgeous dark magenta-y colour. Hopefully the other colours will be able to pop through from underneath. And now my cell activator. Now I've got to be careful not to use too much. If you use too much, it makes it difficult to blow it all out, and you end up having a lot in the middle. So, and then just try and center your puddle, and off you go. On low, I like to blow down and then out, so that you're blending your colors in the middle. Didn't do very well there. Got no lacing over that. I got too close. All right, well, I did a bit good and a bit bad. I blew too hard over here and here, and it broke my lacing. That's why you need to go really gently. Go down and then slowly blow to the side, and then as you're getting further out, as you see the lacing starting to appear, then you lift your blow a little bit higher, because you don't want to break your lacing. I'm going to see if I can actually put a little bit more just there, and see if I can blow that little corner out. Otherwise that's going to have trouble making it to the edge, isn't it? I don't think that's going to work very well, because I mean that looks really pretty, but in here is not so good. But never mind, it is what it is. This is gorgeous here. Oh my gosh. Got a little bit of negative space with the aqua, I guess. I don't know whether or not, no, I was going to say you could put some more white in and then blow, but you just destroy the lacing that you've already got. Right, I love the colours there, but yeah, I'm going to lose that. That's my favourite, and I'm probably going to lose it. Try and bring that over. See how it's all flowing on the top, on the pillow, which is what you want. Right, let's spin this baby out. It's kind of like, I feel as if I need some music while it's spinning. All right, enough of that, Julie. Oh my gosh, I'm in a bit of a silly mood today. Oh, look at it. Wow. I've got this band of aqua through the center. How pretty is that? Wow, so pretty. I actually don't mind that. It's like it looks like a butterfly. Now this is that extra bit there that I put that little bit of white across, and then I blew out. So that's stayed there. That's really pretty, isn't it? Oh, love it. Look at my cells. Look at my cells. Now I wonder if I can pinch a bit of paint. There's not much. So it kind of all goes flying off to the sides. There's not much left. There's nothing on the turntable that I can really use. Not really. Oh well, I'm just going to spin it again. I need to get the paint over those corners. That one and that one. So I'll go again. I'll spin the opposite way this time. No music this time. But it is playing in my head. Now, run your finger very gently underneath on your turntable. Don't catch the corners and go dut, 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 because it'll jar your lacing, and instead of having nice shaped lacing, it'll kind of go a bit jagged. So if you're going to stop it underneath, where you can just have a nice smooth, slow deceleration of your turntable. Do you like that? Deceleration. All right, I love this, you guys. Just wiping underneath. Oh, you got to see the sides of this baby. I'll show you. It's so pretty. wipe underneath. I'm a bit upset that I haven't got lacing on my aqua, but it's still really pretty. Like, yeah, I don't know. Like, I always think that you have to have lacing totally everywhere, but I mean, I've got it in the middle. I did really well with my lacing in the middle there. I haven't got any big blobs this time. Yeah, that looks really pretty. I love that. Love that. Let me get these gloves off and I will take you down for a close-up. Oh, before I do that, I'll show you. I did promise you I'll show you my recipe. Here it is. I put it in this big bottle here. 3 parts untinted wall paint, so no color in it. It's not white, it's kind of a creamy color. 1 part Jo Sonjas gloss varnish, 1 part polycrylic. If you can't get polycrylic, just go 2 parts of the gloss varnish, okay? And then you mix that 2 parts pouring medium to 1 part Jo Sonjas. Right? The cell activator is 2 parts of the Australian Floetrol. I use 2 parts because I like the lacing to be nice and strong, to 1 part Amsterdam acrylic. If you make your cell activator too thin, like 3 parts or 4 parts, your lacing tends to break a lot easier. So that's my personal choice. I like to have it thicker. I like to see the lacing. And again, it holds its shape. It doesn't break as easily. All right, let's get you down for a close-up. Round we go. This is my puppy pool. That's the sides. It's a folding up thing. When I'm finished with it, I just put it under the table. Got it on eBay. They come in a couple of different sizes, so just, you know, work out what size canvas you want. Make sure it's going to fit in there, and then order that one. I think the next size up was too big to fit on my table. See, I've got a little bit of space there behind it to my table. But yeah, I didn't want to get it too big. Right, let's have a look at this gorgeous lacing. Look at the sides. The lacing goes over the sides. I've got a few little cells. Look at that. Now this is basically because the pink is a transparent color. It's thin. It wants to come to the surface. So it does make cells. And then over here, it's not showing the correct color. Again, when I put the photo up, I'll show the correct color. It's really dark purple, really. It's showing red on the screen, but it's more of a really dark purple violet color. Never seems to show the correct colors on the screen. Look at that lacing. Can you see what I mean about having your cell activator nice and thick? I personally like a 2-to-1. It does make a difference. Like, you can't just say, well, I shouldn't say 2-to-1, because if you're using a different brand of paint, for instance, if you're using this, which is a much thicker paint, yes, you're going to have to thin it out. You may need to do 4-to-1. This is quite a liquid paint, so you know, I only need 2-to-1 for my cell activator. So it leaves a mound on a mound in the cup when you mix it up. Have I got any there that I can show you? I've got a little bit here. I don't know if you can see that very well. Leaves a mound on a mound. That's my consistency that I like. So there we go. There she is. Hope you like her. Aqua looks more turquoise too. Definitely going to have to make those colours more accurate to show you. All right. Love you and leave you. I've done 3 today. I'm going to have a break. But yeah, I've got lots and lots of colours to use up. So I'll be doing more of these. And I've got lots of these canvases too. That size canvas. That's them there. Got lots of those. And I've actually got another 2 boxes of them down there. So yeah, I need to use them up. So I'll be doing more of these. So yeah. Catch you on the flip side. Thanks for watching, you guys. Take care. Bye for now.